To examine some of science's greatest mysteries, one must travel to some fairly remote locations: the depths of the ocean, the human brain, the peaks of mountains, and even the end of time. This is what we've done on Unexplainable, a scientific podcast started by Vox in March to investigate the most significant, fascinating, and awe-inspiring unresolved topics in science. We set out to raise significant questions that motivate scientists to conduct their work, ones that fill them with awe or a feeling of purpose, or that remind them that the universe is still a vast, untouched realm. In studying these tales, we've discovered some of the unexpected causes for why significant scientific riddles can remain unanswered for decades or even centuries. Some are attributable to technological limitations, while others are the result of human error. Regardless, working on Unexplainable has reminded us that a question may be a source of hope. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at shocking finds that scientists still can't explain. Yeah, you heard it right. What are most of the universe made out of? It's a basic inquiry with a puzzling lack of an answer. What comprises the universe? It turns out that all the stars and all the galaxies in the entire cosmos do not even come close to accounting for all the matter in the universe. The majority of the universe's stuff is invisible, intangible, and still undiscovered. It is known as dark matter, and despite decades of research, scientists still do not know what it is. What lives in the ocean's twilight zone? As one descends deeper into the ocean, less and less sunlight penetrates, and approximately 200 meters below the surface is a region known as the twilight zone. The sun disappears nearly entirely from view, and so does our understanding of these black depths. Andone Lavery, an acustician at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, told Vox's Bert Pinkerton it's almost simpler to define it by what we don't know than what we do know. Nevertheless, this section of the ocean is crucial. It is likely, but not certain, that there are more fish in the twilight zone than in the rest of the ocean combined, and the species of the dark ocean play a significant part in climate regulation. What killed Venus? The best word to describe the surface of Venus, the second planet from the sun, is hellscape. It is the hottest planet in the solar system, with an average temperature of 900 degrees Fahrenheit and an atmosphere composed almost completely of carbon dioxide. A volcanic landscape of razor-sharp lava flows is surrounded by clouds of very caustic sulfuric acid. The surface pressure of Venus is approximately 92 times that of the sea level on Earth. However, some scientists believe that Venus previously had an ocean of liquid water similar to those that support life on Earth. This raises a question about the existence of life on Earth. The ultimate question is why we are here, says Robin George Andrews, volcanologist and author of Supervolcanoes, what they reveal about Earth and the universe beyond. Andrews says that Venus and Earth are planetary siblings. They were created at the same time and from the same materials, yet Venus is apocalyptic and terrible in every manner. The Earth is a utopia. Then why do we have a paradise adjacent to a lost paradise? Two leading hypotheses exist. One is that Venus was roasted to death by the sun. The second is that volcanoes caused it. What will animals look like in the future? It is hard to anticipate the future course of evolution, but it doesn't mean we shouldn't try. Mandy Nguyen posed the question to biologists and other experts. What would animals look like after a million years? The specialist treated the query seriously. Professor of evolutionary biology at California State University, Monterey Bay, Liz Alter, told Nguyen, "I think it's a very valuable and necessary exercise. When considering the forces that'll impact the future of life on Earth, we must consider how humans are now altering their surroundings." What causes Alzheimer's? Despite decades of research, Alzheimer's, a neurological disease that causes dementia, has no cure and no effective therapies. Why? First, experts do not have a clear knowledge of the disease's cause. For years, the prevailing idea has been that Alzheimer's disease is caused by amyloid protein accumulations, which form plaques in the brain. However, anti-disease medications that assist in removing amyloids from the brain do not appear to be particularly effective. Some scientists believe that Alzheimer's research has been overly concentrated on this one idea, at the expense of investigating other possible causes such as viral infections. How is a brainless yellow goo known as slime mold so smart? The organism known as slime mold is both incredibly basic and tremendously complicated. They are technically single-cell creatures. However, numerous slime mold cells can combine into a massive mass that is capable of, well, thinking. Slime mold is capable of navigating mazes and doing risk-benefit calculations. Even research suggests that slime mold can keep track of time. They accomplish all of this without even a single brain cell. Regardless of the mechanism that permits slime mold to overcome these challenges, it has developed differently from humans. How do they accomplish this, and what can we learn about the nature of intelligence from this? What's the oldest possible age a human can reach? Does the first person to reach 150 years of age exist today? We cannot say. In the majority of the world, the average longevity has increased over the decades. However, it is uncertain there is a limit. Could a person survive into their 200th year? It is feasible that the technology and medicine required to make this a reality are already in development, but if it works, civilizations will be faced with disturbing questions. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.